Gearbubble tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell items on Gearbubble. Gearbubble is a platform that you can use to sell custom jewelry. You can also use it to sell e-commerce products. Now to get started, you're going to go onto gearbubble.com. From there, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on sign up, or you can select get started. After you have done that, you're going to enter your email address and some basic information. Once you have entered your email address, you're going to realize that you're redirected to the same home page. But don't worry, all you'll need to do is go into your email, and then from there you can tap on the confirmation message. After you have selected the confirmation message, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to close the pop-up. After closing the pop-up, you're going to tap on stores. Right below dashboard, you're going to tap on stores. Then from here, you're going to tap on create store. After selecting create store, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on launch campaign. And you can see you must create at least 3 products before building a store. So you're going to tap on launch campaign, and then from here you can select the product that you would like to create. So for example, whether it is a print on demand coffee mug, shirt, hoodie, pillowcase, any one of these options are classic jewelry, you can select any one of these options as you can see right there. So let's say for example I were to select this candle jar. All I need to do after selecting it, I'm going to tap on next. After you have done that, you can see right here a preview of how it looks. So the next thing you'll need to do is upload your design. So you could select upload design, and from here you can choose to upload your design. You can see upload graphic. After selecting upload graphic, you can select the graphic that you would like to upload. Let's say for example I were to select this graphic right here. Then I'll tap on open. After you have tapped on open, you can see that it has been added. Once it has been added, from here you can also choose to edit the price. After editing the price, you can also tap on default style, and you could change the default style. Then we're going to add a name right here, so we'll just call it test, and we're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to this page. From here you can give your campaign a name, so I'm just going to call it test campaign. So let me do that real quick. You can also scroll down and you could edit the description if you want, and you can also select a category. So you can tap on category right here and you can select a particular category if you want. So let me select a category real quick. I'm just going to select trending. After doing that, if you would like to add tags, you can do that. You can also select when you would like your campaign to start and finish. After doing that, you're going to select a URL. Congratulations, you have launched your first campaign, and we can tap right here to view our campaign. So let's see how it looks. You can see right there. So this is how our product page looks at the moment, and all someone would have to do is tap on buy it now, and from there they'll be able to complete their purchase. So we're going to go back into our Gearbubble dashboard, as you can see right here. And if we would like to create an upsell, we can do that by tapping on select an upsell, and we could tap on set account default, and we could create that. But what I want you to do next, once on this page, all you need to do, if you'd like to launch a new campaign, you can tap on launch a new campaign, and then from here you could create another product. After doing that, you are now going to tap on my account in the top navigation bar. After tapping on my account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you will be able to see all of the products or better yet campaigns that you have created. And if it is a case that you would like to edit one, you can tap on edit. You can also tap on end to remove a product, or better yet end a campaign. If it is a case that you would like to create discounts, for example discount codes, you could tap on discounts from the top navigation bar. Then from there you could tap on create a discount, and you'll be able to create your discount code and tap on add discount. So now that I've shown you how to create a product and how to set up discount, it is now time to show you how to get paid. All you'll need to do is tap on get paid. Then from here, you'll need to complete some tax information. So you're going to tap on that and you can choose whether you are a US taxpayer or a non-US taxpayer. And after selecting either one of these options, you'll quickly fill in the information that is required, and then you'll be able to enter your banking information. So you'll be able to receive your payment whenever you get a sale. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.